What are we making?
We're making noodles. There's the eggy.
I don't see any shell, do you, Grandpa?
No.
We'll dump this over here then.
We need another one.
Yes, we need a lot of them. We might use 6 or 9. Let's see how it goes. There you go.
Go. There.
It looks good. You're doing a good job.
There are two. There are 2 more left.
I got you some more eggs. Grandma ain't gonna have any idea what
Open it up.
the recipe is.
Hey.
Come on.
Come on, little guy. You can do it.
There's 4 more.
And Great Papa got me more.
Oh boy, he's making us work hard, isn't he?
Yeah.
Good job.
You know only
I
well.
see a little bit of eggshell right here. Oh, he's jumped back out of my shell. I'm right there.
What are you?
There it is. If I
What
can
are
get
you?
it. There.
What
There, we got him.
And then we can do this little baby as he has been waiting.
He's been waiting. Broke 9 eggs.
He wrote
Cohen did.
9.
And put it in here, and we watch real careful for the shells.
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
We're gonna eat these noodles for Thanksgiving?
I'm gonna make it up really good. I'm gonna make it up really good where they would like it.
So what did you just put in it, Mom? Salt?
So far, we put 9 eggs and a half a teaspoon of salt.
So not much salt.
No, because your broth's gonna be salty. I always guess at this, but you're running it down pat.
Just do it how you would do it.
Okay, and get a scoopful of flour and put in it.
No.
Then you dump it in there.
So
There
much.
you go. And a little bit more. Okay, now stir it up.
Again.
Yes.
You can start after I'm almost done.
Okay.
Because this
Sure.
is egg time.
Yeah.
It's
I
egg
mean-
time.
You need to use your hand to make eggs.
Okay, this is
There you
the
go.
4th scoop of flour.
But David ought to be here to help,
There
hadn't
you
he?
go. You're doing good.
We need another hand in the pudding.
Okay, now can Grandma stir now?
Guys,
Okay,
can
you supervise.
It's looking better.
That means you get to boss. What do you think? Do you think it's looking better?
Yeah, that looks pretty, right, Nana?
Yeah, it's really pretty
Let me
yellow,
try
like bananas.
How are we gonna take turns doing that?
You would take turns doing it?
this.
Okay.
Now let's add some more.
Make it do a big tube.
Yeah. There, that looks good. Got a good scoop.
Up high.
It looks like noodles already.
Does it?
Starting to look like noodles already.
Yeah.
Glad it is.
Okay.
Do-do-do-do-do-do.
I said, I'm glad that's what it is.
He's
Since that's
needs
what it's
something
supposed
hard to
be.
drink.
It looks like noodles.
Hey.
He's getting too
Big
nervous.
Grandpa on the camera.
The grandpa
Cohen.
getting nervous. He
Like
got
Dr. Pepper.
He's nervous? Tell him, no, we're not going to ruin the batch.
He's never done noodles like this before. Turn it up.
Whoa!
Watch out.
Okay.
Blah.
Your grandpa has to roll them out with a rolling pin.
I'll help him.
Oh, you're gonna help me. Oh, you're gonna get help too.
Good. I need
Grandpa's
help.
gonna turn a cartwheel now. He's so excited.
Your grandpa
Okay,
got
There's
you.
the rolling
I
pin.
broke.
Oh, that's a big rolling
That's a
pin.
big
Yeah.
rolling pin.
Big
We'll have
heavy.
to help on that too.
Big heavy one.
He said he'd help.
Put grandpa on one end, Cohen on the other.
Teamwork.
Yeah, teamwork.
Makes the dream work.
Say teamwork.
Make the stream work.
Hey, can you say the Pledge of Allegiance for him while we're working on the noodles?
No,
No.
because I'm too busy right now.
Oh,
I'm wait after
okay.
we're done.
Okay, after
He's
you're done.
pledging allegiance to the noodles.
No.
I pledge allegiance to the noodles.
Are you getting too messy?
Yeah.
Well, that's good for you.
I need to wash your hand and then come back. Beep, 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 beep.
We'll have to get out a recipe so we can really know what we put on it, won't we?
I'm gonna need one more tube. I mean, that little tube.
Grandma's like, I'm not getting any younger.
I'll soon be 86.
Oh my gosh.
Are these for this Thanksgiving or next Thanksgiving? This
Christmas.
Thanksgiving? Christmas. Okay.
We're kneading the dough, and so, like Mom said, until it's nice and smooth. That's the consistency you want.
I'm here right
It's
here.
still awful sticky though, Mom. Let Mom feel it. It looks like great grandma
See how it
feels.
feels.
She knows what it's supposed to feel like.
Feels like we need another scoop of
I
flour.
know, that's what I was wondering.
Now we're gonna put it on there. Now we'll work it in.
What?
Now watch, Cohen. Watch how she's doing it, because you got to learn this.
Then you're gonna get that rolling pin, get to rolling.
And I'm gonna help Bob out with it.
You got to tell them how thick you want it, Dad.
I'll tell you, you gotta have them thin or Grandma just keeps hollering at you.
Gotta be thin, huh?
Gotta be thin.
Okay.
She gets them rolled out, Grandma says, they gotta be thinner.
We don't want any hollering going on, so we'll do them thin.
Now watch what Grandma's doing. She said we're going to make tiny balls or bigger balls out of it.
About like this. It rolls easier.
You gotta make a whole amount and then you can roll them
You
out.
roll each
gonna-
one and mount it thinner.
Of course, time they roll it out, them little ones will be pretty good size.
Okay, so how many people should this serve?
About 16 people.
And with some left over?
Get seconds?
Yeah.
Get
I
seconds.
think more than
I'll
that.
get
You get
seconds.
seconds? Dad, do you get
I think you
seconds?
get seconds or thirds.
Thirds.
Cohen, are you going to love noodles?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, how many balls do you usually get out of one big thing of dough
Never
like
did
that?
count before, see?
1, 2, 3, 4,
How many
5.
counts
I don't
are
know
right
by the
now?
recipe.
We're done.
How many we get?
She just knows
We're
how to do
getting
it.
Just knows how to do it,
1, 2, 3.
yeah.
1, 2,
So it
3. 5.
5. And then she's got 6 in her hand. And really, it's a pretty cheap recipe. Like, all it takes is flour, salt, and eggs.
That's right.
So it's like it would feed you pretty cheap. So then will Marcy use her turkey broth for this, or do you guys just buy chicken broth by the can?
You sh- use
Is there a
the turkey too, the broth too,
Yeah,
because it
that's
gives it
all
more
true.
flavor if you use the real thing.
Okay. And then is there a certain kind of broth that you guys buy that you like the best?
Nonsense.
Swanson
No,
Or
lemon,
butterball.
lemon,
or
lemon.
butterball?
Now, guess whose turn it is?
Grandpa's turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, watch. So back and forth from front to back, and you want plenty of flour.
Otherwise, it all sticks.
Ah, okay. Okay, now let Grandpa try.
Yeah, now that Grandpa comes.
So which way should he go, Dad? Top and bottom or sideways?
Or
Or
get it rolled out.
okay, so you got to press really hard, but you got to put flour on your rolling
Now, if it
pin.
starts picking up, you put a little flour on it.
On the
Okay,
pin.
Yeah, or on the noodles.
or on the noodles.
Then Cohen, he'll want to roll a little bit.
Yeah, Cohen, you got to practice rolling too. Yeah, how thin do you get them, Mom?
Just as thin as you can possibly get.
Yeah, I prefer them thin. Like, do you want him to go thinner?
A lot of times it's over the edges where it's not
That
thick
end looks
enough.
thick.
So
Kind of pull it this way.
Said
Yeah.
get thinner.
Yeah.
you could, if you get some flour there and then go like this maybe.
What do I do? That's crazy.
I cut it like that.
There was one in your hand. I mean, in your
And
hand.
over here like
What
this.
was it?
I was gonna put this on. You want to put that on stand here?
No. Yeah.
There you go. now.
Stan's wearing an apron.
There you go.
Roll it out.
Tie it on.
Okay, now we're gonna see what Grandma's doing. Oh wow, look at that, Cohen.
Now I'm gonna take it in
Look at
here
that.
and cut it like this. And don't reach
And
in.
someday when you're bigger, then we'll let you use the knife to do it.
Take them like this, just shake them out.
But we don't want anything wet. So your hands aren't wet, are they? Okay. Okay, see, she's gonna throw them to you and then you shake them out. There you go. Good job.
They're looking like noodles.
Yeah, see, like this.
They're
So you
looking
don't
like
want to
noodles.
touch anywhere near the knife, but like that. Kind of
is
lay them
really
out like
sharp.
that so they have plenty of room to dry. Because then, Grandma, how many hours do they have to dry?
Usually about bedtime, it would be about 10 o'clock. So
Wow.
whatever time it.
So they have to dry out for about 9 hours.
As thin as you can cut them.
Okay.
I'm always afraid of
So get
cutting my
them
fingers
back
up.
away from her.
That's one of my
There you go.
job.
I know. Okay, it's your job.
But look at that long noodle.
I know. That's an awesome
With
one. I
Thanksgiving,
like that
everybody better be
one.
thanking you a lot for the noodles. Tell them you worked really hard on them.
They're looking like worms.
They look like worms. What do you think, Dad? Do you think they look like worms?
Yeah, they do look like a lot of fish.
Oh, Dad's got on an apron too. What do you do after they dry out? Like she said, at bedtime you have to do something.
Oh, we'll put them all in a bag.
Okay, then they all go in a bag. Then at
Yeah.
this point, do we need to put them in the freezer? Because you still have another week before Thanksgiving.
No, we wouldn't. We just put them in the refrigerator.
Refrigerator. Because there's eggs in them. Is that why you do that?
Yeah.
Is it sticky or what?
Yeah, it's too
A little bit
sticky.
too wide.
Wide? I like them wide.
Vicky likes them narrow.
I know Vicky likes them
Don't,
there.
don't do it just for me.
I think
I'm not
everybody
Vicky. I'm not Vicky.
Oh, did you hear her just say I'm not
Okay.
Vicky?
No, but have she
That's a
said that?
first.
Grandma, try that.
Is this a
do we
Gmail
have?
movie?
Yes.
Okay.
It's the Cohen and Namaw show, and Great
and Nam.
Bob and Great Nam are guest hosts today. Okay, what do you think? Let's zoom in on the noodle.
Tell Grandpa they're a little
What do you
sticky.
think?
A little sticky in here.
Bopple, a little sticky, Bopple.
But there's a little bit sticky in here.
He's gonna look
Maybe you
ridiculous.
need
Got two
an apron.
cookies.
I don't need no apron. I like to get flour on me.
We never been in on this noodle making process before. We've always just came to Marcy's and ate them.
Put the camera down, do some work,
no,
huh? Hey, Nam, tell Nam to drop the camera and do some work.
He told me this was his job a while ago, and I tried to help. He's like, "This is my job."
Well, this is better. This is better, Stan. They're falling apart better.
There,
Look at that.
I believe we got her good.
Wow.
I believe we got it.
How long before they're done?
100.
100 hours.
When are we going to eat these noodles, Colin?
Birthday
Thanksgiving?
party.
Birthday party? Maybe. Maybe Thanksgiving.
Look at those noodles.
And there's some back there too.
More over there. Yeah.
Oh, we got noodles over.
The noodles are all rolled and cut, and now they just have to dry for about 8 hours. Then they'll be ready to put away. And the next time we see them, it'll be Thanksgiving Day.